Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Cosmic Connection. I am your host Shohini Mitra and you are watching me exclusively only on Telechakkar. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं रणवीर अलाबादिया के बारे में. The so-called beer biceps guy. Who does not know him? इंडिया बोलिए, कहीं और कोई भी देश का नाम ले लीजिए. His podcasts are really famous and everybody loves watching him. But of late, this boy came to a show and he made a comment which actually created a lot of ruckus. So let's figure out today. Let me do some reading about him that आगे उनका life कैसा होगा and what all he should avoid just to not get into another controversy like that. Okay, so let's figure it out. So this is a card for him. इसका नाम है Bridget, which means inner strength. I'll show you the card. Bridget कहता है move back to wholeness. Recognize that you have the power. कहीं ना कहीं इतने सारे controversies के साथ जुड़ते जुड़ते आज ये केस कर दिया, कल कोर्ट में जाना पड़ा, ये सब करते करते कहीं ना कहीं he might feel that he's losing the power, right? So don't think about it. Come back to what you have been doing. Restart your life again. This is the second card which has come out, which is the White Eagle. So whatever you have been going through from the past few months, this will be healed. So I hope all the best for you. So today I'm going to introduce you a book which I've been reading for quite some time. It's a book by Sharoda Ma. I hope you have heard about Ramakrishna. So let's see what Holy Mother Sharoda Ma thinks about you, Ranveer, in terms of what is that you should do and you should focus on so that the next 6 months goes smoothly. It says, regarding family, people who wanted to renounce worldly life, Mother said, if you really want to give up, first make suitable arrangements for the subsistence of your dependents. So, this is very important in terms of what you do, how you act in public life. It is also going to affect your family. So, before taking any such projects in the future, think twice before you sign it up. So, all the best to you. And I hope you like this small short episode of Cosmic Connection. Please do write in the comment section below and give lots and lots of likes so that we can do some more readings about more celebrities. Thank you.